Now we will fusing this B3 fiber with Corning A1 fiber. Now we have the testing cable. Testing cable is Corning A1. And now we will strap in the fiber from Corning A1. And fusing with this rail cable. A fusing finished. And now the link insertion loss after fusing is about 0.3 dB. Okay, now we will cut 1 meter from the rail. And test the insertion loss of this fusing point. Here you can see this is B3 fiber, this is A1 fiber from Corning. And now we will test this point, insertion loss of this point, this fusing point. It's 0.05 dB. It means this B3 fiber can fusing well with the A1 fiber from Corning. Now we will splicing this real B3 fiber with the Corning A2 fiber. Now we have this testing A2 fiber from Corning. Now we will strap the A2 fiber from Corning with this B3 fiber. Okay, fusing finished. This is A2 fiber from Corning. This is B3 fiber. And this is the insertion loss after fusing this real fiber with this A2 fiber from Corning. The insertion loss is about 0.3 dB. And now we will cut 1 meter from the cable, from the rail, and test the insertion loss of this rail, of this fusing point. Now we will test in the insertion loss of this fusing point. We just add a ferrule and cut the fiber and insert in the ferrule to the insertion loss machine. This is the whole link for the fusing point. Now the insertion loss. Okay, we will recut the fiber again. Cutting fiber is very important when you do the testing. Okay, now this shows the insertion loss is 0.0 dB for this fusing point.